This is Super Duper all-purpose lubricant that was sent to me by the seller for evaluation and is available to you on Amazon. I want to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions, as well as some of the things that I like about it, and maybe you will like it as well. This has a lot of great uses around the house. The thing that stands out the most for me when I'm looking at this is that it is a petroleum-based lubricant. And I love that, and I'm sure Mother Nature does as well. But the big question is, does it work? The answer is yes, it absolutely does work, and it has a variety of uses around the home, whether it's loosening up hinges on doors, sliding doors, if you have tools in your garage that need to be seasoned, or if you need to make sure that they remain loose, like hedge clippers and things like that. It's got all types of uses. It penetrates easy, it glides on smooth, and I really do love the way that it works. Also, for you men who have power razors, this is a good way to keep your blades lubricated. It comes in a variety of sizes, so you can have a little bottle like this to carry around in your toolbox, or you can get bigger bottles for around the house. If you're looking for an all-purpose household lubricant that is non-petroleum based and absolutely works, I highly recommend that you give Super Duper a look. It works for me and my family. It is a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.